Good evening, MS50 community and family. I'm Miss Batt, one of the 8th grade algebra teachers. And if you're a new 6th grader or 6th grader's parents, I am so happy to meet you. Hello. As you know, we are starting school soon, and I'm speaking for all of us at MS50. We're so excited to have you back. We're so excited to meet you. And we know that this year is going to be a little bit different than normal. By little, I mean a lot. So there are additional safety protocols. If you've been following, you will have to wear a mask, but that's to make sure you and everyone around you is protected from droplets from your nose and your mouth. But not only at MS50 are you protected from droplets from your nose and your mouth, but you are going to be protected from droplets also getting into your eyes. So our 3D club, along with me, myself, Ms. Quintero, Ms. Kaiser, Ms. Fiorella, and a few community school members are all printing 3D printed face shields. Crazy, right? So these shields actually come out of the 3D printer, and then all you have to do is add some elastic band and a transparency sheet, and you get a shield. So you are going to be able to at least customize your shield how you want to. So if you get those stickers from your teacher for doing a good job, or you just have particular stickers you like at home, you can add those onto your shields, and that becomes part of your identity and showing off who you are and a little bit of your personality. Because as you know, with the mask on, it's kind of hard to tell what your face is showing. So really cool. We have gold, bright green, regular green, white, silver, red, pink, and we have so many more. We have yellow, orange, blue, black, and I think gray as well. But we are going to keep on printing all of these colors. So not only can you choose your color to show off what your favorite color is, but you can also show them off by adding those personal things I was talking about. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek in onto my shield. So once again, we do have to wear the mask. These are mandatory, but optionally, if you would like a little bit of extra protection for your eyes, you can use the shield. So I will show you how easy this is to do. Our old model took a long time to put together, but this new one is amazing. So this is what they look like. And if you see on the side here, the holes are already made for you to put that elastic band in. And all you have to do is slip this piece up. Put the transparency sheet in it, and I'll show you. Just like this. And the first time you do it, it's gonna be a little weird, but then you'll get used to it. Now, not everybody has the same size head. I know, in particular, I have a pretty large head, believe it or not. So if you put this on your head, you want to make sure that you are not going to poke yourself with these sharp edges. You can cut this down into a nice smooth shape, and then you can add your elastic band. You can add some decorations to it, and I'll show you what that looks like. How simple is that, right? Okay, so this is my shield. It says Miss Batt. I've added little googly eyes to it because, hey, why not, right? You can stick those on with double-sided sticky tape. I put my name on here so people know who I am, and here as well. You don't have to do that, totally optional. And I love math, so there's my pie symbol, and scuba diving, and sharks. And of course, cats. I didn't have a cat picture. So you guys can add whatever you want to these masks, as long as it's school appropriate. You can add one of these. Make yourself a crown, and they slip right into those holes there. You can make yourself a little crown. I know a lot of the girls last year had little cat ears. You could make little cat ears very easily with these. All you would do is bend this into the shape of a cat ear, like so. And you can put it right through that spot. You could do this with any kind of animal ears that you want. If you want to make yourself a bear, a cat, whatever. I mean, hey, listen, we have to find the humor in this. So you guys are going to be able to say when you're older, oh my gosh, can you believe I was in school for COVID-19 in 2020? I was there for COVID-19, and we had to wear face shields and all this crazy stuff. So this will be something really interesting for you guys and for us. It's all new to everybody. But again, you can make yourself little ears if you want to. You could put, like, I don't know, any sort of like basketball, softball, what else do we play? Oh, volleyball. Volleyball's at our school too. So you could put all of those stickers on here and personalize this to your liking. Once again, I'm so excited to see you guys face to face again. And If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Every single student in our school will be able to, thanks to the hard work from a lot of people in our building printing these shields. Everyone can have one, but masks are mandatory. Shields are optional if you want a little extra protection. So your only responsibility with this shield is to take it home. You can pull this out, pull this transparency shield out, and you can wash it. You can also wash off anything that you put onto it and then restart if you want to change up what you want for that week. Okay? I hope that this makes it a little bit more exciting to follow some safety protocols at school, and I look forward to your comments. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.